Hi, good morning, dear Sagittarius. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well in your life. So, this is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Saggis, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. And keep in mind, this is journal love reading. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading from 11th of August till 21st of August. So, let's start. Okay, Sagittarius, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is okay, cool. Ten of Swords. I feel like this person is feeling like backstabbed or betrayed, or they are just coming out of a very bad phase of their life. This is betrayal. This is betrayal. Might be they are feeling like mentally they are feeling like somebody betrayed them, but this is surely the worst that they have experienced in their life. And right now also they are experiencing this energy, and they are feeling like somebody betrayed them, backstabbed them, somebody did something very wrong with them. And I feel like this, although this card is negative, there's a positivity in this card that the worst is over. Now they can start their life all over again. Now they can restart the life 2.0. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords in their current energy. Three of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and then the Eight of Cups. Okay, so I feel like now this person is, right now this person is focusing on their work, on their office environment, on their work environment. They are feeling like they should be financially stable, they should be financially independent, they should work on themselves, they should work on their money because of this job, because of the work, anything that is related to work. They are right now trying their best to focus on themselves, on their money, on their independence, financial independence, because somebody walked away, or they are walking away. I feel like they walked away and now they are focusing, shifting their focus on their money, on their business, on their job, on their looks, everything about them, after you walked away or after they walked away. Now they are shifting their focus on themselves only, on their money, on their job, on their business. This is a good energy, Sagittarius. Let's see what's your current energy, Sagittarius. So your current energy right now is see Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles here as well and here as well. So I feel like right now you are also focusing on your job, money, and your stability, overall stability in your life, and especially on your job, especially on your money, especially on your business. And there's some kind of teamwork that you are working in. So there's something that might be you are working in a partnership with somebody, might be you are working in a team, or there's something related to the team. It might also be possible that you want to put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection with this particular person, whomsoever you were connected with. Let me check, let me clarify. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles in your current energy. It could also be possible that somebody betrayed them, somebody else betrayed them. Might be there was a third party or somebody else betrayed them. Now after somebody betrayed them, now they are trying to focus on themselves. It could also mean that. Okay, now let's coming back to you. Let's see what is happening with you. Let's clarify. Sun could be dealing with a Leo. Two of Swords, Five of Wands. So I feel like you were really happy. You were really happy about something in your life. Then from happiness you went to some kind of confusion, some kind of conflict. Now after the conflict is over, now you are conflicting with yourself, battling with yourself, fighting with yourself. Something is there. So I feel like there's some kind of job problems that you are experiencing right now. There's some kind of stability, money issues that you are facing right now, because I feel like you were really happy in your job, you were really happy and you were doing some good work in your job or at your workplace. But that happiness went away, that happiness got converted into conflict and battles in the workplace, especially. I feel like that. Okay, and for some of you, I feel like you were really happy with your person, but somebody came in this equation and that made you really angry, that made you really think about the decision, if you want this person in your life or not. And that's why you guys had a very huge fight, and might be that's why you guys broke up with each other. This is the second story that I'm getting here. Okay, let's see their feelings for you. Let's see what this person feels for you. Okay, Three of Swords. They're feeling heartbroken, completely shattered, depressed, sad. This person is completely heartbroken right now. They are completely feeling sad. Okay, completely, like they are feeling like somebody is. See, can you see that somebody backstabbed them? Now they are feeling like there's a heartache, heartbreak, very severe heartbreak. It is. Let's clarify. I feel like for some of you, this person just went through some kind of surgery. It is just for some of you, right? I'm like getting it intuitively, so I'm telling you this. Let's clarify. Hierophant could be dealing with a Taurus. Seven of Pentacles, the Hanged Man. So this person is feeling like they have waited for the marriage thing to happen from a very long time, but it got stuck somewhere. They got stuck somewhere. So I feel like this person was trying to get married to you, or so I told you that energies can be reversed anytime, or vice versa. It could be you that is feeling like that. Yeah. So this person wanted to get married to you. They have waited a very long time, for a very long time, to get married to you or have a long term committed relationship with you, but something got stuck there, and that's why they felt like they're completely heartbroken. That's why they feel like they are right now completely shattered and depressed and sad. That's making them sad. That's making them feel bad for themselves, trying to heal from a situation. They are just trying to heal from a situation. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Knight of Cups. This person wants love from you. This person wants a love proposal. Okay, I'm really sorry. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Yeah. Let me settle down. Yeah. So this person wants a love proposal from your side. This person wants you to propose to them, and you to open up to them and just go to them and say them that you love them and you really want them in your life. This is what they want from you. Even if that love is not mature, but they want you to propose to them and tell them exactly how you are feeling for them. Like, they should be love feelings only, right? There's no option of any other option. Let's clarify. Four of Wands, Knight of Swords, oh, Five of Pentacles. Okay. So now the story that I'm getting here is that this person wanted you to propose them, and this person wanted you to propose them for marriage, and this person wanted you to go towards them in a rushing energy, in a hurrying energy, and just hurry up. Just hurry up. Because just hurry up. And I feel like because you didn't do that, because you were not able to do this, they are feeling like you betrayed them, or you left them hanging on the wall, or you left them in the cold, and you left them without any reason, without giving any kind of reason or something like that. They had high expectation from you. They wanted you to propose to them for marriage. They wanted you to go towards them in a rushing energy and in a hurrying energy, and to hurry up and go towards them. But again, I feel like somebody is walking away, either you or them. And that's why I feel like this person is completely heartbroken, because either you walked away or they walked away. There was some kind of messy situation here, and that's why this person is feeling like you should go back to them and just talk to them and just tell them how much you love them. Yeah, I feel like this person wants you to come towards them and tell them that you want to marry them, and hurry up because you left them in the past. This is the story that I'm getting here. Okay, so let's see what is coming towards you till 21st of August. Sagittarius, let's see. Nine of Wands. I feel like this person is coming back towards you. This person is definitely coming back towards you, Aquarius, sorry, Sagittarius. But I don't see this as a commitment. They are not ready to commit yet. Not ready to commit, not be in a serious relationship as of now. But yes, I feel like this person is coming towards you with passionate energy. With passionate energy, not thinking about the future, not thinking about the past. King of Swords in their energy as well. Gosh. You could be dealing with Aquarius, the star here. Queen of Cups. See, okay, this person is coming back towards you, and they are coming in with lots of passion because they are also heartbroken as you are here. They are also heartbroken, but they are very hopeful and positive that you will accept their love. They are hopeful and positive that everything will be stable in the near future or in the future, and you guys can make it. Like you guys can make it work out in the near future, right? This is what I'm getting at. This is a messy situation actually. This person wants you to go towards them and talk to them, but I feel like this person is coming towards you. It might also be possible that you are going towards them because you are heartbroken as well. You are still hopeful and positive that everything is going to be fine, and this relationship is going to convert into a love relationship after that, after this healing process will be done. See, there's a healing process that's going on. Three of Swords and the Star is big healing energy here, big hopeful and positive energy. So they're hopeful and positive that this relationship will finally convert into a love relationship again. So this is what is happening with you guys, Sagittarius, till the 21st of August. I hope to see you soon in the next video. God bless you. Namaste. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.